Okay, it is now Friday morning. Just got up a little bit ago. It's 7 o'clock. Car's been sitting all night. It's been pretty cool over the night. So clutch is in. Out of first. Clutch is up. I'm just going to try going through the gears before I go down. A little bit difficult shifting first. Second's okay. Third's good. Fourth was hard again. Fifth was okay. And went right into reverse this time. And back down. There's a school bus behind me, so going a little bit slower coming down. Alright, just stopped, clutch is still down, out it, and that was a little hard shift. That was hard to shift into. Again, with first, I'm lifting the clutch in between. You can see it's a lot of pressure and it's clicking over. It's like there's something grabbing it. So when I go to shift, that is not a normal shift. It is just so hard to put into gear. This car has never felt that way. That's not the locking out feeling. I'm just going to clarify that on the video. When there was locking out, no matter how hard you push, it just wasn't going into gear. So we're back up the driveway now. I'm going to try this again. Clutch is out, clutch is in. First, and you hear that popping. Now see now it's sliding in and out. Look, that's not a problem. I'm not getting stuck and having to jam it in. And third there was difficult to go into. Reverse went right into reverse today. So if we go into reverse, oh, now it's not going into reverse. Tried letting the clutch out a little bit to see if it would go in, and you could tell it's not in reverse. I can't, there, now it's in reverse. But I shouldn't have to grind it and re-clutch and everything to get the car to shift.